Comfort, precision, and control matter when your hands are bigger and your work or gaming demands accuracy. Best Computer Mouse for large hands delivers ergonomic comfort, responsive tracking, customizable buttons, and durable design for long sessions and everyday productivity gaming. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Logitech MX Haptic Mouse. Experience a new level of control and comfort with the MX Master 4, a premium wireless mouse built for creators, professionals, and power users. Designed to keep you productive all day, it features an advanced haptic touch panel that delivers subtle, customizable feedback for actions, shortcuts, and notifications, making every interaction feel more precise and intuitive. The Smart Actions ring puts your most used tools right at your cursor, adapting smoothly to different apps and workflows. Scrolling is faster and smoother than ever thanks to the MagSpeed scroll wheel, allowing you to fly through long pages or stop exactly where you want with pixel-perfect accuracy. With powerful wireless performance through the USB-C receiver or Bluetooth, you get a stable, responsive connection wherever you work. Its ergonomic shape, thumb wheel, and quiet clicks reduce hand strain and distractions, making long work sessions more comfortable. Built with recycled materials and premium durability, the MX Master 4 is designed for performance, comfort, and a more sustainable future.
Number 2. Logitech MX Master 3S Mouse. The Logitech MX Master 3S Standard Edition is designed for users who want comfort, speed, and precision in everyday work. In the box, you get the mouse, a Logibolt USB receiver, and a USB-C charging cable for fast and convenient recharging. With its powerful 8000 DPI sensor, the MX Master 3S tracks smoothly on almost any surface, even glass, and the sensitivity can be customized to match your workflow. The quiet click technology delivers the same satisfying response while reducing click noise by up to 90%, making it perfect for quiet environments. MagSpeed scrolling offers an incredibly smooth and precise experience, switching automatically between line-by-line control and super-fast scrolling. The Flow feature lets you control multiple computers and move text, images, and files between Windows and macOS seamlessly. You can connect up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or Logibolt. Built with recycled plastic, the MX Master 3S also supports a more sustainable future.
Number 3. Logitech MX Vertical Mouse. Work longer and more comfortably with this advanced ergonomic vertical mouse, designed to keep your hand in a natural handshake position while reducing muscle strain and wrist pressure. The unique 57-degree vertical angle helps improve posture and keeps your wrist in a relaxed, neutral position throughout the day, making it ideal for both work and gaming sessions. Built with input from ergonomics experts, this mouse focuses on comfort, control, and long-term usability. The high-precision optical sensor delivers smooth and accurate tracking with adjustable DPI, allowing you to switch cursor speed instantly depending on your task. This reduces the need for excessive hand movement and helps minimize fatigue during extended use. The carefully shaped body fits a wide range of hand sizes, while the textured surface provides a secure and natural grip. Designed for reliability and everyday performance, this mouse combines comfort, precision, and durability in one smart package. It also comes in responsible packaging made from FSC-certified materials. For wireless models, the USB receiver is included with the mouse.
Number 4. Logitech Lift Vertical Mouse. Upgrade your daily workflow with this wireless ergonomic vertical mouse, designed to keep your hand in a more natural and relaxed position throughout the day. Its upright design helps reduce wrist strain and forearm pressure, making long hours of work, study, or browsing far more comfortable. The softly textured surface and well-shaped thumb rest provide a secure, comfortable grip that feels great even after extended use. With a carefully engineered angle, this mouse encourages better posture while maintaining smooth and precise control. Quiet clicks let you stay focused without distractions, while the responsive Smart Wheel style scrolling ensures effortless navigation through documents and web pages.
Customizable buttons put your most used functions within easy reach, helping you work faster and more efficiently. Built with comfort and performance in mind, this ergonomic mouse is ideal for home, office, or travel use. Reliable wireless connectivity and long-lasting performance make it a smart upgrade for anyone who wants comfort, control, and productivity in one simple device. Number 5. Lekvey Carpal Tunnel Mouse. Designed especially for left-handed users, this ergonomic vertical mouse brings comfort, control, and efficiency to your daily work or study routine. Its unique vertical shape supports a natural handshake position, helping reduce wrist twisting and hand fatigue during long hours of use. The mouse fits comfortably in your palm, making it ideal for anyone who wants a more relaxed and healthy computing experience. Setup is simple and fast. Just plug in the USB receiver and start using it instantly, with no software or drivers needed. The stable wireless connection lets you work freely without lag or interruptions. With 3 adjustable DPI levels, you can easily switch between precise control and faster movement depending on your task. Convenient forward and back buttons make browsing and document navigation smoother. Built for everyday use, this mouse offers long battery life with automatic sleep mode to save power. The quiet buttons allow you to work without disturbing others. Compatible with most operating systems, it's perfect for home, office, or study use, and makes a thoughtful gift for any left-handed user.
Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.